Hello everyone, and welcome to the MC Eternal community server. I appear to be the only one on at the moment, and as you can see, I have a texture pack. And we've also got this nice little subscribe button that I spawned in, because, you know, self-promotion. Anyway, the reason I have this texture pack on is, I'm not sure if I'll be using it normally. It looks really good. I am actually a very big fan of how everything looks, especially the seared brick. This looks so beautiful, but the reason, in particular, is this build over here was requested to be reviewed with the texture pack. So I will 100% review this build with the texture pack. I might review the other ones with it as well, and then we can come back with vanilla textures just to have a look. But the problem is my game like freezes and crashes and all that stuff when I switch textures, so it's a little bit of a pain. That's why I'm sticking with it. I think that's flashing because of Optifine. So I think we only have these two other builds if we're not including my own. That is what it looks like. We did have, if we look here, we had some people claiming stuff, but I don't think they got around to building anything. Which is fine, it's fine. What I might do as well is I might try and move both of these builds, since they're nice and small, over onto this land over here. And then we can section off that part for the next challenge. Whatever that may be, I'm not too sure yet. So let's get started. In case you weren't sure, the goal was to have all processing, right? All processing. Now, I believe these two are the same build. Yeah, they're all connected. This one was an extremely creative one created by, as you can see, Contingency. Here we go. I'm not too sure what to do. He said he was going to walk me through it, but I wasn't available when he was going to do that. So there seems to be an elevator here, right? So if I click up, does something happen? Not too sure. Bottom? Oh! Ah! Okay, the elevator was already up there. Okay, now I click top, and it takes me up. Very nice. Big fan of the elevator. So I assume something happens here that we look at? I'm not too sure. I don't even know what these blocks are. For some reason, I guess I've turned off my Whaler tooltip that's normally at the top of the screen. Not sure how I did that. I noticed this over here. If any of these sounds annoy you, take the sound and put in box. I believe this is the box. So you can grab... If any of these sounds are annoying, we can put them in here. I can't hear anything at the moment. Okay. What's in here? Whole bunch of stone. Some nice smooth stone, it looks like. I don't have my Whaler tooltip. I don't know why. I've clearly pressed a button, or maybe the texture pack doesn't have it. But I'm not too sure. Right-click the black lamp to activate the system. If redstone lamps are active on the high right, the system is off. What's the redstone lamps? Not too sure. Let's turn it on. Oh no, wait. I think we turned it off now. Okay, so those are the lamps. Oh wow. What? What? Oh, look at that! What is this? How do I not have my Whaler tooltip? Can we quickly check controls? It's called Whaler, right? Category. Show and hide numpad 1. What? Oh, we can see it in the top left now. So this is just stone. So this is all stone, and it's being turned into ores with the atomic reconstructor with lens of the miner. Okay. Lens of the miner. Here we go. I might be in cheaty mode, so I'll press R. So what's this? You put these ores around a lens, and apparently you get ores from it? Black quartz and stained glass. That's not too expensive. And look at all the stuff it's making. What? I didn't know this was a feature. Wow. I'm very impressed. So this turns it on and off, it appears, right? Oh, and I think these are all processing it, right? Oh, okay. I'm a little confused. Is there a pickup point where we retrieve the items from? What are these? These are crafting terminals. Oh. Oh, and here's all the ores. Look at that. This is a lot of ores. Okay. It's already off. These must be working really fast. So I can turn this on, and it will start doing the magic. And in here, can we see the numbers actually changing for anything? Oh, we can. They're all rearranging as Oh, as the new ores come in, and then they're taken out and processed. That's what we can see here. Very cool. So, if we turn this off, we can actually look at what these Lens of the Miner can actually get us. It seems uranium, topaz, tin, tanzanite, sulfur, silver, sapphire. Oh, you can get diamonds. That's pretty good. Osmium, there's a lot of that. A lot of lead, lapis. Black quartz, nice. Gold. Okay, so you can pretty much get most of everything. It does seem, however, as if... Oh no, there's iron here. I thought the iron was turning into refined iron, but no, the iron's here. Okay. This is very, very cool. Very beautiful. Yeah, I like it. I like it. The textures look good. It still looks pretty good in vanilla, because I did have a look at it, but I can definitely see the improvements. I think these bark walls look a lot better. Just the one part in particular that I noticed stood out with this texture pack. Alright, so this is... what should we call this? Let's I'll get a sign, and we'll actually try and set this up so that you guys in the comments can help. So this we will call build 1, because we looked at it 1. This is build 1. So in the comments, if you think that build 1 is the best design, the best efficiency, or the simplest, you can vote in the comments. Refer to this build as build 1 if you would like, or you can say contingency. I'll understand what you're saying. We can come over here now. This was the first build that was actually built. It was built before I even built mine. They were extremely quick to it, and it is beautiful. So this should be reviewed in vanilla. So maybe I'll come back actually, because some of the bits references won't work. But you know, little spoiler, little sneak peek. Now you guys have seen mine before. If you watched the video where I built this, essentially we just have some Moogmas, which this animal rancher is getting. It's essentially milking them for lava, right? And it's powering this magnetic dynamo, which is just, you know, self-sufficient animal rancher. But the rest of the lava is going into these seared tanks, which are part of this smeltery here, which clearly it's not perfect, right? Because we get leftover bits of iron. I'm not too sure how to fix it. I mumbled up my words there. I'm not too sure how to fix this issue. I'm almost certain there's a way, maybe with some sort of filter. I'm certain if I use different pipes instead of these seared faucets, it would probably be a lot better, but I just wanted to use the seared faucets. They look so cool. I could not use it, but essentially you throw in some ores, hopefully of the same kind, or else you get the issue of, you know, some bits not getting processed. Chuck everything in. That gets smelted eventually. We grab a time in a bottle. Where is it? Here it is. Bam, 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 bam. That just speeds it up. We get the iron, and all of this flows all through here and fills these all up. How beautiful. I like it. I like it, but it is my own, so I will not be participating. So, apparently, there will be 2 challenges here. I will switch back into the vanilla texture pack, but that will take a little while, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we are clearly back, and we are in the vanilla texture. Everything looks normal again. And let's check out this little base here, or little build. Oh, we get a little bit of lag spike. So, first off, nice and simple, right? Ores go in here, fuel goes in here, and it's an insane ore processing. So let's give it a try. What if it doesn't work? We gotta test it. We grab some iron. Let's grab some coal. Here we go. So the ores go in here. Yep. The fuel goes in here. Ah, look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Automatic ore processing. I mean, it does what it says, doesn't it? There we go. It's, it's not much different than just, So we have to open this inventory and place iron in here. Then we have to open this inventory and place coal in here. Or we could have just opened this inventory and placed both of them. I like it though, I like it. And before you say anything, this build was made before I actually uploaded the video where I announced the challenge and actually made the joke about you could just place a furnace. So this was built before then, so, kudos to them. Made with iron smelted from furnace. Hey, look at this! Proof of the concept working. What is this wood? Ethereal fence. There, this stuff looked really cool in the other text pack. I had like fireflies on it. Hello, sir. You were made with this auto-processing unit. I believe these are just storage stuff. Yep. The life cycle of a furnace. Oh, we have a little bit of theory over here. Okay. Infancy. It's just a tiny little block. Then teenager. Oh, little furnace, and then a full-grown adult. Here we go. See, this is why we needed it to be in vanilla, because the other texture pack changed the texture of the furnace, and it was like vanilla furnace, different textured furnace. This is very cool. I'm a huge fan of this. So quite clearly, the Simplicity Award goes to them, right? And you know, we only have these 2 builds. We didn't get any more, but I think this will be a good, I guess showcase to what I was going for with this whole weekly challenge situation. So hopefully, people will watch this and they'll be like, oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool, and they'll participate in the future ones. I think it'll also look really cool to have these areas as a bit of a showcase. In fact, if you guys want to, I could reclaim the land off you, since I have unlimited claiming options. If you ever need like the extra claim spot in the future. But with that being said, I could probably also change the config and give everyone extra claiming space. So yeah. And here's this other base, what it looks like without the textures. With the just vanilla. What are these blocks? Glowstone chiseled. Very cool. So it still looks pretty cool. See what I mean? It looks pretty decent with the textures different. Everything still works. I can tell that they're redstone lamps, right? So redstone lamps are active. The system is off. Yeah, okay. So that makes sense. There we go. It's back on again. Oh, you can actually see the items flying through the pipes. They're going so fast. That's cool. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. So, build 1, and we'll call this one over here build 2. Okay. Despite this one being built first. I didn't look at it first. Build 2. There we go. I mean, I'm pretty sure, you know, they're both going to get rewards, but I just to, I guess, display what would happen in future events when there's more than more than 2 builds here. We would set it up like this, and you guys could attempt to vote in the comments for who you think. Now, as for the rewards, I was setting up a nice screen over here. These are Practical Logistics 2 screens are very, very cool. I'm thinking I've either got to play around with them in single player or on the, what do you call it? Why can't I think? Or on, or make like an actual highlight video for them, a tutorial, because they are very interesting. They're a little bit confusing to learn, but once you learn them, they're actually very cool. So I can do a little showcase here. So we would go up here and click title. We would select the zone that we want our title to be, maybe this far. Then we would Shift R to confirm it, and then we can. Oh, no, wait. We shift. Yeah, we shift right click to exit out. So Shift and R to save, and then Shift right click to go back. I believe you can Shift left click as well. And then we can click to edit text, and we can write backspace this, and we can write rewards. And if we wanted to, we could highlight this. So we could click dark green. And click font color, and we can make it like a nice little rainbow, which is what I had, but for some reason it changed randomly when I joined the server, so I was just messing around with it a bit to try and figure everything out. So anyway, the rewards here were going to be, I believe it's an extraterrestrial loot crate, so it's one of the most expensive ones in here if we search, yeah, extraterrestrial cache, this one, 15,000. Also this, I believe it's a creative flux spore, because I figured it had to do with, what do you call it, the ore processing, right? And a creative builders one, I thought, for whoever happened to be, how would you put it? You know, extra creative, you know, they put a lot of effort into their building, they might really appreciate a builder's one or something. But once again, they can obviously choose one of these if they want, whoever the winners will be, or I guess both of them can choose what they want. And if they want something else, they can probably let me know too, because I don't really know what rewards to give people in a mod pack that has a shop that essentially has every item in it, right? Yeah, I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I'm not sure what the next challenge will be, so please let me know in the comments or over on the Discord what you think we should do next. I'll try and think up some ideas too. and I'll come at you later this week, hopefully, with an update on what the new challenge will be. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. I hope you're enjoying the MC Eternal series in general. You know, the single player, the server, all the different events we're trying to do. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.